Hello, Rob and Verna. Hey, Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. Just delivering on the video that I promised to take a look at your competition and see what you can do to increase your rankings and get some more leads out of your website in particular. So let's get started. First thing, I'm going to share three primary things, actually the top three things that Google ranks most heavily when they're looking at websites and will enable your website to gain rankings and go towards that first page. So the first thing is content here on the home page. Believe it or not, Google likes to see 1,500 words or more here on the front page. You guys actually have a fair amount of this content here. Looking to me like maybe about 1,000 words without this footer here. And so I would recommend the first thing would be to add another 500 to 750 words that are keyword rich to enhance what you're trying to rank for. My search actually was for Baseemnt Remodeling Denver, which has 320 searches a month. So number one thing would be to increase your content a little bit. When I did the search here, came up with your three top competitors in the basically 1, 2, 3 position. First one is Elkstone Basements. They have a little over 1,500 words here. One of the things that you can also count are on the images. So if we go to one of their images, I hadn't checked theirs to see how they've got these saved, but believe it or not, the tags for the images and what you label those as also count as content for your website. Those are videos there. So make sure that your all of these tags on the pictures are also keyword rich. But adding for your site, adding another 500 words or so would really help your ranking, especially up against these guys. Next one is Blue Sky Remodeling Denver. I'm sure you're familiar with them. They got about 1,100 words, a little less on this part here in this website. This is what I was talking about. So you see the label for this picture says home dash body page dash body dash image 2. If they labeled this, kitchen remodeling Denver or something like that, it would help with the Google rankings. So same for all of your images on your site. So that's number 2 position. And then number 3 is Basements and Beyond. They don't have very much content at all. You have more content than they do by far. So if you were to add here beyond these top, but especially here for the Elkstone Basements, get up around maybe 1,800 words actually for your website, and you would really be rocking it as far as the content. Now, the other thing I did is I put the competition into a little tool here called Ahrefs, and it shows us exactly what's going on with the website. So the UR here, 36, says on a scale from 0 to 100. This is the popularity of the website. This is the strength of the website. But the second most important relative thing that Google looks at beyond content, the next thing is backlinks. And backlinks coming from referring domains that have relevant content instead of spammy links. And then they actually have 2,000 organic keywords. So these guys are in the number 1 position. So content and 2,000 backlinks with 2,000 organic keywords. That's one of the primary reasons that they are in the position they are in. So thought I would show you that. Number 2 position, 26 on the UR popularity, 27 on the strength of their website. Then they drop down to 1,500 backlinks from only 127 referring domains and 750 keywords. So those went in half for position number 2. So again, they have a little less content than position number 1. They have about the same as you do, maybe a hair more, but more backlinks and keywords. And then here's our opportunity, my friend. So Rob, this would be the opportunity that you have, would be the number 3 position only has a 7 UR and a 1.7 DR with less than 1,000 backlinks, less than 400 keywords. So this is definitely a spot where we could target. You could bring this up. Let's take a look at your website right now. So you're not too bad. So 16 on your UR. Definitely want to strengthen the website here at just 1.6. But again, your numbers are better than the number 3 position overall as far as UR and DR. We just need to add another 500 backlinks, okay? And I'd say another 400 keywords so that you're surpassing this number 3 position. And that would be all in relevant content. So keywords and being ranked for the proper keywords is very important. And then the number 3 thing actually is your GMB or your Google My Business name, address, phone number. So if we take this here, take this out, and just do a Google search here, see if you have a GMB. Yep. So that actually redirects right to your website. So that's a good thing. I'm trying to see if I can get your GMB to come up. But anyway, the citation is your name, address, phone number. So the name of the business, address, and phone number, usually in the footer. So this information down here, name, address, phone number, that is called a citation. That's the number 3 most important thing. So these need to be spread across the internet in directories for construction, blog posts, articles, that kind of thing. And that will drive your ranking up too. So those are the top 3 things you could do on your own to bring up your website, brother. So feel free to use these and implement all of this on your website. If you'd like to discuss more about this, feel free to get back to me. And love to talk and share some ideas. Take care.